Hello, students of class 10th. I am Dharmendra Kumar Singh. It is my third audio video session. In this session, you will know about the term why power sharing is desirable. I am going to begin the topic with two examples. In my first example, as students in a democratic system, you may have listened about Council of Ministers. Our Council of Ministers is divided into three categories. They are Cabinet Ministers, Minister of State, and Ministers of Independent Charge. And my second example is rotation of monitor in class after a regular interval of time by the teacher. Why such arrangements you have seen in our day-to-day life? Such arrangements we have seen to reduce the possibility of tension and conflict. It also helps to promote unity and fraternity. Power sharing is desirable for two purposes: prudential reason and moral reason. Prudential reason based on prudence or on careful calculation of gain and losses. Prudential decisions are usually contrasted with decisions based purely on moral consideration. In India, this has been done by reserving seats in the legislatures and government services for members belonging to scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. There is also reservation in government jobs and educational institutions for the people belonging to other backward classes. Power is also shared for moral purposes because it is good for democracies. It is the very spirit of democracy. In India, members from different political parties get elected to the legislature and participate in the working of the government. In my video, a cartoon is depicted. This cartoon is related to the problems of running the Germany Grand Coalition government that includes the two major parties of the country, namely the Christian Democratic Union and the Socialist Democratic Party. The two parties are historically rivals to each other. They had to form a coalition government because neither of them got clear majority of seats on their own in the 2005 election. They take divergent position on several policy matters but still jointly run the government to maintain peace and promote unity. Students, now at the end, let us examine your progress. Listen my paragraph carefully, then I will ask a question to you all. NAT studies in a Dutch medium school in the northern region of Belgium. Many French-speaking students in her school want the medium of instruction to be French. Selvi studies in a school in the northern region of Sri Lanka. All the students in her school are Tamil speaking and they want the medium of instruction to be Tamil. If the parents of NAT and Selvi were to approach respective governments to realize the desire of the child, who is more likely to succeed and why? Of the question is, in the first case, Belgium, the demand of the French-speaking students will be met. This is due to the policy of accommodation followed by the government. In the second case of Sri Lanka, the government is not likely to listen to the demand of Tamils as they do not believe in equal respect for all linguistic groups and follows the policy of majoritarianism. And in my next audio video session, I will provide you information about forms of power sharing.